location. But before I zoom in to plan my route for the next pickup location, we want to go to where we are right now. So this right here is Allenton. We took, he's up here in Connecticut, no, Massachusetts. So picked up a load. Over here. In this area. Where is it? Okay. Oh, we picked up a load around this area over here. Oh, there we go. So we picked up here at this location. Right here is where we picked up. Then we took this road to jump back to the 2. Then we came over here on the 190. We had to stop over here to get weighed, to use this cat scale here. Then we jumped back on the 190, went all the way down towards the 290 to the 84. Stopped somewhere over here at a truck stop to grab a shower. 84 all the way down to the 684 to get around 95 because of the inner city areas around New York and certain parts of Connecticut. As you can see, it's always heavy traffic. 287 to the 78. Then we zoom in. We got off here, took the 145. As you're coming through these inner city areas, you can see here the roads are okay, not that bad here. It's just more so we had to drive through all of this, and we parked over here behind this McDonald's for the night. Got up, coming down this road, and to check to make sure that that's not a low bridge. This is the app that I use, is Trucker Path. So the blue dot is us, obviously, and when you hit places here, this clearance is the part that shows you if there's low bridges in this area, like these over here. Tap it, it tells you 13.3, and obviously for a semi truck it's 13.6. So once we're in the clear, we know that this is a safe route to take, supposedly. And this road here, we had to turn over here on Union Street, which is very tight. So we were stuck here. Couldn't make a turn over here because the trailer would jump this curb here. So I had to wait and then swing over a little bit into the other lane just to make this turn here. And then you have vehicles right here that is all the way up past that line where you see this blue car. So even when you do swing out, they need to back up for you to make that turn. And there was a sign, as you can see right here, somebody took out that sign because it was laying on the ground. Then you have to make that hard right turn there. And as you come through here, you can see that the roads are even smaller. It's two-way traffic going on either way. So that's another indication that stuff are getting tighter. And then when you look at the sidewalks, you can see there's barely any sidewalks there on one side or either end. or you see that there's only a sidewalk on one side, so you know that's also indication for tight places. And as you see over here, there's no sidewalks, it's completely gone. So we had to come through here and merge onto this traffic here, which is another two-way highway in either direction, but the other one was a one-way. Over here it was one way, so that's when you know it's tight. It was still tight over here as well, because this is very narrow. It shows to make a turn here, but this is the Google GPS. You can't always take these type of directions because it's mostly for cars. So we could not make a turn over here because there was a sign right here where it says you can't make a turn down that street, and you can see how close that is to the delivery IPC right here, but we're right there. So what we had to do is drive all the way over here where you see the red. We got stuck here for about 10 minutes because of traffic, and then as you see this white car here in this lane here that I just zoomed in on, there was a truck just past that line, like that white car there too. So I had to swing all the way over here in the center of the street, back up several times just to make that right turn. And then I had to essentially come over here to East Walnut Street where you see the orange. I had to do the same thing here just to make another right turn, and put my 4-way flashers on, and I recorded parts of the street right here after I made that turn. So this is the street that you saw, and as you can see, there's cars on both sides of the road. So this was the path I had to take in order to deliver this load today, and then stop right here at this old warehouse. Used to be Ayer's. And they're right across the street. I had to drive down here, and we're backed up to this dock here to get unloaded. So generally when you see something like that, when you have to go through homes or and inner city areas to deliver, yeah, it should charge a lot more. The amount of money it took for fuel was